Okay, and I gotta like film you. Okay. Hey. All of you.
Wow. This is
Oh. Oh, there we go.
It's so small.
Yes, they are so small.
It's a crazy. Wow, this cat is so small. Yeah, we're gonna see that. Look at the smallest animal.
Oh, it's nice, boom.
This is nice of my book. This cat is like a key. Whoa.
Yeah, I think so.
This cat is so
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, Austin, we're gonna get, there's 3 more people coming in, okay? So just be aware that it's gonna get a few more people. Okay?
Look how small it is.
Yeah.
It's the size of a pea.
There we go. Yeah. Okay. Should I film the cat or you, Austin? You? Hi, Barry. Welcome in.
Welcome to the pea-sized cat. This cat is like a pea.
So, Barry, you could try a seat next to a cat, or you could sit on a poop with the cat, and then let them come to you and see if they'll let you pet them. Okay? Oh, should I stop it? There you go. Is it going? It's still going.
Okay.
All right. Maybe I should set it up on a chair for you. You could like put it over here, and it could film the room. Like this, maybe, with a stand. Yeah. You wanna try it? Here, I'll let you try and put it up on.